Okay, good morning basketball fans. This your host with you, Arvin G Vlogs, along with Hero Bacos Vlogs po. Ito po ang yung liga na mga sikat, ang PSBQ. Yan ang PSBQ Basketball League, ang liga na mga sikat. Yan ha. First quarter action po tayo yun between two teams of Kapsat and Sam and Friends. Ayan. Ramen Friends. Kapsat versus Ramen Friends po tayo yun. Okay, good morning po. We're here live right now. Still po sa the Pearling Season International School in Doha. To witness for the second game between Kapsat and MTD 8 versus Ram and Friends. Okay, Ramen Friends, wala pang uniforme. Nga, Team Kapsat ha. Team Kapsat po versus Ramen Friends. Okay, Christian Dale is watching. Si Sir Romeo Madrigal is already watching also. Good morning po siya mga kasama. Okay, Tagyam versus Rendon. Okay, paalala po, takin po natin po yung ating mga uniforme. And lahat po ng mga kwintas, bling-bling, tsaka hika, pakibigay lang po sa akin para masangla ko na po. Mali pala, pakibigay mo na sa table niyo. Okay po, para ingit na po tayo. Okay, Kapsat versus Ramen Friends, coming up. Jumble. Okay, Tagyam and Rendon. Jumble po tayo. Okay, Tagyam, Rendon. Ba, matindi. And Quinto, 2 points, Quinto, nakadalaw po kagad, 2-0 kagad.
Anong masabi?
Ha?
Anong team?
Ramen Friends yung multicolor. Again, Bayukot. Whoop! Malalim. Pops up, Yesery. Villegas, nakadalawa. Kapsat, Ramen Friends. Yung sari, Ramen Friends. Rendon versus Tagyam. Rendon. And goes the ball. Bola po tayo ng Kapsat ngayon. Kapsat. And now si Bayukot. Tagyam. Quinto. Oh! Palpal. Okay, balik po tayo ngayon. Si Bon. Pops up. Yesery. 2 points. Okay, Bayukot naman. Si Bayukot against Bon. Nice whoop si Daisy. Okay, foul. Habana, number 18, called for the foul. First foul niya po yan. To Tagyam, driving in. Tagyam. Bayukot. Quinto. Pops up. 2 points. 2 points, Quinto po tayo. 6-2 po ang score po natin. Ramen Friends. Training Pepe 2 points. Habana. Wala. Rebound. Habana. Nope series. Two shots po awarded para sa kanya. Hando po yan ang the following sponsor.
24,
HB Kicks from Jordan to LeBron. HB is had it all for you. HB Kicks. To order the shoes, just visit the FB page for details. HB Kicks. Modesto, Yesery, Bontesto. Okay, 6-4 po ang score po natin yun. Bayukot. Tagyam. Driving. Tagyam, floater shot, malakas. Bayukot. Bondesto, naka-rebound. Kick pass. Ito na. Kay Garcia. Von. Bondesto. No. Rebound ni Quinto. Quinto for the rebound. Hop. Blocking foul. Habana. Second foul po ni Habana. Number 18. Blocking foul. Okay. Ito. Okay, tagyam now. Bayukot, lost the ball almost. Okay, na-recover po niya. And, okay. Sam ball. Sam and Friends. Bola po ng Sam and Friends. Kabsat. Enjoying a 2-point lead. Rendon. Bon. Garcia. No. Rendon, naku yung bola, Rendon! 2 points, Rendon! Nice shot by Rendon. And now, langan po tayo ng wala. 6-all po tayo, Bayukot. Bayukot, Bayukot. Bayukot, fade away shot ni Villegas, pasok ang bola. Nice shot by Villegas. Bondesto. Pops up. Bang! Tapla. 8-all, 8-all, 8-all. Tok, tok. Tok, tok. No! Walang pinasahan. Tet-teret, tet-teret. Bola po ng Kabsat. Ang boya. Look, malaman. Bon, wala. Oh, it's a foul called. Foul on Rendon. Foul ni Rendon. Oh, kaway po. Kaway. Hello. Ay, hiya. Camera siya, camera. Inantok na. Sige po. Two points, Quinto. Quinto, 2 points. Da-la-la-la-la. 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 Dan-dan-dan. Bondesto almost got the ball. Take to po si Mr. Bondesto. Who's foul rep? Okay. Number 24. Change player na po tayo. Bondesto shooting for 2. Hando po yan ang Kapeng Barako by Lombar. Restaurant po yan. Located po yan sa Wakra area. Baro Wakra area in Doha. Kapeng Barako brought you by Lombar. Bondesto first shot. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Second throw. Jumpers ready by Bondesto. It's wala pa rin. Okay. Nag-change 5 na po tayo ha. Change 5 na po tayo. Kabsat. 10-8. Uy, walang pinasahan. Okay, balik po sa boss sa boss pa bowlers. Sa Sam and Friends ang bola. Sam and Friends again. 4 minutes 56 seconds remaining. Regado. What the shot? No. Amparo driving. Amparo, whoop. Pinalabas muna. Okay, saan po siya pupunta? To Sandyam. Okay, and pops up. Nilalog palabas. Ayun, si Mansueto. Malalim kay Telerico ang bola. Sayang ang bola. Manabat. Manabat to number 33. Let's see. Giga. Bulawan, the golden boy. Okay, touch last. Same ball po tayo. Golden boy Bulawan. Nandiyan din pala si golden boy Bulawan. Eto na po. And nice one. That's Regado for 3. Okay, 10-11 na po ngayon ang score natin. Laman na po ang Salmon Friends ng isa. Telerico. Stepping violation. Balik po muli sa anong bola. Blocking foul, Telerico. Number 27, blocking foul, Telerico. Giga. No. It's a foul, Bulawan. Bulawan called for the foul. Ramen Friends, 4 per team fouls already, warning for penalty. Raimundo. Raimundo, Amparo. Okay, nagmamadali. Eto na siya. Raimundo. Sapuera, no. Amparo. Driving in. Up si Daisy. Touch last. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds remaining. 5 seconds to shoot. Amparo. Uy! Foul committed. Foul number 24. Okay, same ball po tayo. 14. Fresh 14-second violation, and also it's a penalty violation. Penalty situation. This free throw will be brought to you by Lombar Restaurant. Yan ha, ang malupit na loming barako in town. Ando po yung Lombar. 75 real, busog na busog ka na. Good for 3, good for 4 pesos. Hindi pa yan sapat para maubos ito. Yan po ang Lombar, loming barako. Okay, pasok. Raimundo, nakapasok. 11 all po tayo. Foul! Number 22. Pushing foul. Number 22 called for the push. Bulawan for the inbound. Bulawan. Pops up again. Pasok ang bola. Nakakadalawa na siya. Amparo. Amparo driving in. Aywa. Yes, sir. Pa-boarding pa. Ginamit niya. Giga. Pasok ang bola kay tropang Giga. No. Good ball. Bulawan. Hop. Good ball. Pasok ang bola. Nice recovery by Bulawan. 13-18, lamang na po muli ang Sam and Friends SNF. Amparo. Wow! Raimundo, patayin butike. Patayin butike. SNF ball. Sam and Friends. Wow! Nice shot by number 19. Manabat. Good ball, good ball. Still completed. Manabat. Manabat. Eto na naman siya. Wala. Rebound di Manabat. Giga. Pasok. Sana. Amparo. Amparo may dami. 2 points Amparo. Amparo nakadalawa. Manabat. Okay, wala. Good ball. And no more. First quarter action tapos na. Standby po tayo second action. Ito po ang PSBQ Volleyball Basketball League. Ang liga naman sikat dito sa Qatar. Always available tayo po dito sa Burning Season International in Doha for every Tuesday night, 10 PM onwards. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. And also simulcast po tayo po sa FB page po namin sa PSBQ Basketball League din po yan. Maraming salamat po. PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, second quarter action.
Ayun na, bumasok na. Bumasok na.
Okay, second quarter action ha. Handog po yan ng Marika Kitchen, MC Kitchen. Ang aming lasa'y laging sigurado. Marika Kitchen. Kudyano. And si Escala. Escala nandiyan sa loob din. Kudyano, nope. Master. Master nga. Amboya. Master. Pasok kay Master ang bola. Between. Wala. Nice one and one play made. Okay, this bridge is brought to you by Acropas 1, Acropas Qatar. This thermal jug, high heat retainability, also malamig pa rin po siya for after some time din po. Ito po ang Acropas Qatar po, and also this always available po in all kinds of sizes and colors po yan, and styles din po pala. Acropas Qatar. To order, just visit the FB page po for details. Amboya, note. Kudyano, 2 points. Wow! Offensive foul. May braso. Ginamitan ng siko. Kaya offensive foul. Inumangan na sigo kay offensive foul. Okay, balik po tayo sa ano natin. Ito na. Si Escala. May tangan ng bola si Escala. Escala muli. Escala, ayun. Good ball. Between. Foul. Number 30. Si Master called for the foul. Between, shooting for 2. This video is brought to you by Imprint Advertising. We turn your ideas into absolute reality. Imprint Advertising. Between, second shot. 8 minutes, 50 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter action. Pasok pareho. Amboya to Vec. Master, palpal. between again. 2 points. Timeout, Kabsat. Kabsat calls for the timeout. Don't look now. Lamang na po ng 13 ang S&F. Sam and Friends. Okay, ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams who want to join our league sa aming class division, just visit the page for details. Take note, we're still accepting teams po. 3 slots remaining pa po sa aming ligang ito. Maraming salamat po. Ito ang PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, dati daw, sabi ng ano. Dati. Okay. Number 11 to number 26. 11, Amboya. Pops up. No. Uy. Escala naman. Escala. 2 points Escala. Escala 2 points. And 1 play pa. This free throw is brought to you by PLBL, ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. PLBL, every Friday po yan sa Arab School Indo, and also just visit every page po to watch the live stream. PLBL. Every Friday po yan, Arab School number 1 in Doha. Pugliano, pasok ang bola. Daming birador pala to sa aming friends ha. Yek, bek. Wala na. Ramen Friends. RNF ball. Ramen Friends. No. Amboya. Hello, good morning po. Good morning. Ha? No, sorry. Juan, Master. Kapos kay Master. Escala. Wala. Master. Back. 2 points. No, wala. Between. Symbol po tayo, symbol. Foul! Op! Huwag kang mag-dyan. Number 8, Kwan. Ayaw, di po. Escala for the inbound. Escala, number 7, nope. Op, si Daisy out of bounds. Sagnata naglalaro itong mga to, itong sa aming friends. Siya ata naglalaro to, no? Ramen Friends. Two points. Up. 5 minutes. Change square po tayo, 23:37. Lamang pa rin po ng ilan? 23:7, 7, 14. Lamang pa po ng 14 ang Ramen Friends. Okay, eto na. Rendon, Tiambao, Sipon Tiambao, Tagyam, Tagyam. Hoy, sayang. Tiambao, 2 points Tiambao. Tiambao 2 points. Quinto, Tagyam. Tagyam. Tagyam ulit. Tagyam. Uy, sayang. Rendon. Nako na Tagyam ang bola. And one play made by Quinto. Nice shot by Quinto. Handog po yun ng Triggles Barbershop. Yan po ha. Handog po sa Pinoy Barbershop po yan sa Qatar. In 2 branches po yan. 1 in Mansura, 1 in Alsada. Triggles Barbershop. 100% Pinoy para sa Pinoy. Quinto, no good. Pero nakong rebound. Blocking, nope, it's traveling violation. Traveling violation, nice D. Gawa ni Habana. Pero nakuha ni Quinto bola. Wala, Rendon, nakuha ni rebound. Rendon. Oh! Dandan lang. Quinto called for the foul. And, penalty situation. Aga na penalty Free throws po para kay Rendon. Shooting for 2. Handog po yan ng Coach Mike movement. Yan ha. Master the game of basketball. Handog po yan ng Coach Mike movement. Master game and master the play by Coach Mike movement. Rendon. Second throw. Pasok pareho. Okay, labang. Balik na naman sa 16. Ang laman po ng Ramen Friends, RNF. Yanaw, 3 points. Yanaw, 3 points. Tiambao. Contesto, wala. One more time kay Contesto. Hop. Baba, paul sa baba. Villegas called for the foul. Bondesto shooting for 2, first shot. Pasok. This shot is brought to you by Winax Apparel. Don't get out from my house without wearing it. Yan po ang Winax Apparel. Pasok, pareho. Winax Apparel po yan. Sa Tagalog, huwag ka nalabas ang bahay pag di mo suot ang Winax Apparel mo. Payuko, Tagyam for 3. Ayaw niya. Nag-drive na siya. Kick pass. Quinto. Pops up. Wala. Rebound. Di Villegas. Nakuha. Nakuha number 8. Rendon. 2 points. Rendon 2 points. 28-45. Lamang pa po ng 17 ang RNF Ramen Friends. Palpal. Bayukot for 3. Kapos. Tiambao. Nagmamadali. Tiambao. Three points. Number 8, 3 points. Tagyam. Foul. Number 8. Oo nga eh. Foul number 8. Bayukot. Tagyam. Nice pass, broken away by Bondesto. And also touch dash pa ni Quinto. Garcia. Tapos. Sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Pop! Sino? Who's pa rep? Number 9, Kiambao, called for the foul. Kiambao rin pala, di ba? 3 points. Number 22, naka 3 points. Kiambao, 2 points. 2 points Kiambao. Walang pinasahan. 1 minute 52 seconds remaining. Rendon, wala. Wala pa rin. Bondesto. Good ball. Two points. Kiambao. Number 8. Bondesto. Bondesto driving in. Nako, mali pinasahan. Quinto, Kapos. Bondesto, wala. Rebound. Sana ni Kiambao. Bola po ng Kabsat. Villegas, 2 points. Okay, lamang pa po ng 15 ang Team RNF, Ram and Friends. Pops up. Nope. Okay. 34 seconds remaining. Payukot. Foul called by the referee. Foul number 8.
Foul number 8.
Gracilia. Gracilia.
Number 8, second personal foul.
Dalawa na po number 8 po yan. Quinto. Good ball. One more time. Wala pa rin. Bondesto. Nakulitagyam. Lost the ball.
15 seconds.
14 seconds remaining. Quinto. 10 seconds. Pops up. Kapos. Bondesto. Foul. Nag-foul pa. Take 2. Naka-foul pa. Okay, Bondesto shooting for 2. Handog po yan ng JPX TV. JPX na ang sa kalam. Apparel po yan. Basketball training po. Courtesy po yan ng JPX TV. Okay, second shot. Jumpers ready.
Second throw, Bondesto.
Wala. Halftime po tayo. After 2 quarters, ang score po natin is 35-50. Laman po ng 15 ang RNF, Ram and Friends. Laman po ng 15. Ito po ang yung liga ng mga sikat, PSBQ Basketball Liga. Any teams who want to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. We're still accepting teams po to join our league. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball Liga. Halftime po tayo mga kabayan. Be back po muna. Ano muna pre? Kata muna. Masya lang. Order the shoes. Just bring it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Mr. Mister. I don't give a damn if you are Mr. Mister. Yung functionality ng ang business system. Yung makapagiging ng business system. Yung ability to win the game. It's a little bit more for the pasensya. But you make a focus when someone fucking does something when I have the jaws rock like a Mr. Mister. That's when I just said he's a man is in the jewels and in the jewels. But I would never let him do. See, I was over the rules, but I rather make it rules. Because the truth is that it's
to the doorway for the third quarter.
Okay, third quarter action po tayo, boss. Mga third quarter action po tayo, mga kababayan. Third quarter action on the way. This is the third quarter action. Handog po ng Qatar Subliminal Sports Show by Ziran Yada. PSBQ, Basketball League, third quarter na po tayo. May katlong yugto. Number 24. Eto na. Nice pass. Wow, sana. Eto, Master, si Master. Master. And one play made. Okay, shoutout po, sabi ni STE, Sosya. Shoutout sa mga kababayan kung Bicolano kumakain na kami ng aso. Jorge Para, Habana, Bon Javier, and Cudiano, player ng MNF. Yan ang ma'am. Ayan, sabi, shoutout po. Uy! Bulawan, lost the ball. Kabsat ball militar, kabsat ball. 38-50, 12 lang yan, 12 lang yan. Okay, Tagyam. Quinto. Eto na po tayo yun. Amparo. Quinto for 3. What a pass, what a play. Pasok ang bola. 3 points. Giga. Manabat. Nope. Nice one by Master. Eto na, siyam na lang po lamang. Quinto naman. Pops up. Nope. Giga. Same the ball. Same ball. Ayo. Bak. Pakulang. Then, oh. Kuha ka ng coupon din dyan. Meron na? Sorry ah. Okay. Tuloy po tayo mga kabayan. Tuloy po tayo. Nag-time po ang Ramen Friends. The score is 41-50. Lamang pa po ng 8 ang RNF. Yan, Ramen Friends. Mukha itang unti po nakuha pang reading po ng Kabsat ang kanilang reading po. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo mga kababayan. Back to the ball game po tayo. Eto na po. Back to the ball game. Si Amparo may magtatangan ng bola. Mag-inbound po. Uy! Nice D. Giga. Manabat. Touch last by Master. Same ball. RNF ball. Same ball po tayo mga kabayan. Pakipasok na po ang secret weapon nila si George Para Habana. Sabi ni Mr. ST Sosya. Giga, wala. Rebound. Quinto. Rebound ni Sabuero. Sabuero naman. Sabuero. May tayo ng bola. Sabuero. Tagyam. Power move. Nako, sayangin. Nako, hinawi pa lang Tagyam. Tagyam na hawi ng player. Okay, holding. May Bulawan na naman ang bola. Bulawan. Tutropang Giga. Bulawan. Giga again. Giga driving. It's a foul called. Foul number 9 on Quinto. Okay. Tumokoro. Bulawan. Driving in. Power move. Wala. Sayang ang bola.
Ball number 69.
Foul number 69, Bulawan shooting for 2.
Basket.
This free throw is brought to you by, of course, McDonald's Qatar. Yan ha, kahit nasa Qatar, lamparin natin to. McDonald's Qatar. Bulawan nakashoot. Okay, 11 na naman. 11. Okay, Tagyam. Nasa ilalim sa Tagyam. Tagyam. Amparo. Wala. Rebound ni Master. Master, sayang. Sayang si Master.
Sa palido niya, sir, master.
Eh, yun ang pala na nakasul. Master eh.
Master Cookie.
Hindi, may
Master Cook.
Master.
King yun eh.
First ball number 30.
first shot. Pasok kay Master. Baka ano, Eskinol Master. Ang sikreto ng mga gwapo.
Grabe naman yun.
Master, second throw. Wala. And rebound B. Good ball. Okay, chance for to make Quinto. 2 point. Ako, inalag. Inalog pa palabas. Ang lakas ng batong nun. Gado. Oy! Foul. Tropang Giga.
Ball number 30.
Okay, tropang Giga. Shooting for 2.
Second person.
This free throw is brought to you by Giannis Gumitio. Available in Team Flavors, Team Spicy, Team Original. Mamili po kayo. Giannis Gumitio. Giga, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Giga, second throw. Jumpers ready. Wala. Ayun, kayo no. Nako ni Tagyam ang bola. Eto na. Nako, stone naman Giga. Nako naman yung Paro. 2 points sa Paro. Okay, siyam na lang. Siyam na lang, mga kabayan. Siyam na lang. Gado, 3 points naman ang sinugot Gado. Gado, sinugot ng 3 points. Master. Amparo. Ayos Giga. Malakas. Okay, Gado. Manabat. Giga. Labas. What a break by Giga. Tapos. Bulawan. Bulawan. Wala. Gado. Gado. Wala. Tagyam.
For him to shoot.
2 points Tagyam. Buti nila nasa Tagyam. Iba talaga pag matagal ng mga ano. Tagyam. Manabat. Gado again. Wala. Naku. Manabat. Giga. Palpal. Pero sabya. Pero chinapcha pati muka.
Number 69.
Number 69 called for the foul. Shooting for 2. Handog po ng MC Cargo. Ang yung padala ay laging safe at sigurado. 2 branches po tayo dyan. 1 in Doha, 1 in Dubai. MC Cargo. Ang yung padala ay laging safe at sigurado. Giga. Giga man. Tropang Giga. First shot. Pasok. Second throw ni Tropang Giga.
Basket.
Tropang Giga, second free throw. Tropang Giga, second throw. Pasok pareho. Okay, 46-57. Labing isa muna kalamangan ng SNF. Ramen Friends rather. No good. Nice one by Tagyam. Ito na. Gumagana na si Tagyam. 10. 48-58. Bondesto, traveling violation. Balik pumuli po sa kabsat ang bola. Rising Knights ang kanyang suot, pero si Team Kabsat. Eto na po tayo, Bayukot. Nice one, pero tumama. Whoa! Quinto, traveling violation. Masyadong mabilis. Okay, 48-58. 48-58 to. Chance na to, no, to trim the league to 2.8 points. Eto na. Fernandez, wala. Tagyam, no. Si Gado, nako ng bola. Gado. Walang pinasahan si Gado. Gado lost the ball. Tagyam calling the shots. Sabi daw, tama na muna raw. Easy lang tayo. Tagyam. Tagyam, nice one by Tagyam. 10-1 play. Ayan na, gumagana na si Tagyam. This free throw is brought to you by, of course, Qatar Sublimation by Zira Niaga. Uniforms for kinds of sports, shapes, and sizes. Ando po yan ang Qatar Sublimation by Zira Niaga. Ramen Friends, 8-point lead. Ayan na kay Mr. Escala. Escala took Cambao. Scope shot. Hey! Head ball situation. Ramen Friends ball, RNF. Bola po ng RNF. Escala for the inbound. Rendon. Third quarter pa lang to. Escala. Kiambao. Touch pass. Okay, good ball. Between 2 points. Sa punto naman. Kiambao. Tagyam. Wala. Tagyam muli. Lost the ball. Good ball. And it's a foul. Sumabit po mga kababayan. Okay, 2 free throws awarded kay Mr. Cambao. Hando po yan ng ANC Kitchen. Quality pampagana sa iyong hapagkainan. ANC Kitchen Chili Garlic Oil. To order, just visit the FB page for details. ANC Kitchen. Nope. First shot ni Cambao, wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Jumpers ready. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Tagyam. Nice power rebound by Tagyam. Good ball. Okay, hounded by Scala. Pops up. Nope, ayaw niya. Cambao. Lost the ball. Still completed. Escala. Escala. Wala. Wala pa rin. And sa kabsat pambola. Bayukot. Pops up. No. Villegas. Power move. Fade away shot. Wala pa rin. Nakaw. Si rebound. Nakaw si between na rebound. Rendon. 2 points Rendon. Bayukot. Two points ang Boya. Nilabas muna si Kasi para sa fourth quarter. Hinanda-handa na sila. Escala. 10 kalamangan. Bondesto. So, Escala. Wala. Palpal. Pero mayroong hawak. Okay, Villegas called for the foul. Okay, 11 rather. Amboya called for the foul. Rendon shooting for 200 po ng JPX TV. JPX lang ang sakalam. Basketball drills and apparel and many more. JPX TV.
Second throw by
JPX lang ang sakalam. Second shot ni Rendon. Pasok.
52-64.
12. Gulinaw. Gulinaw, driving in. Floater shot, wala. Power move, pasok ang bola. Nice shot by Villegas. Power move di Villegas, pasok. Escala. Stolen na by Villegas. Villegas! 2 points, Villegas. Eto, 8 na naman tayo. 8 na naman. 1 minute, 10 seconds remaining. Third quarter action. Bondesto. Wala. Rebound. Ni Tenerico. Eto na naman muli tayo. On the run. Kapos. Villegas, 2 points. Back to back field goals already by Villegas. 48 seconds remaining. Cambao driving in. Escala. 2 points Escala. Okay, medyo inampat yung pagdudugo doon. Inampat yung pagdudugo ng RNF. Bayukot. 30 seconds remaining. Bayukot. Foul. It's a foul call. Number 11 by Amboya. Penalty situation between shooting for 2.
22 seconds.
Sundan mo. This sprint is brought to you by Winax Apparel. Don't get out from your house without wearing it. Yan po ang Winax Apparel. First shot in between, wala. Second throw, jumpers ready.
Second throw
Between, second free throw. It's pasok. Pasok. Okay, 10 kalamangan, 22 remaining.
20 seconds. Number 22. 15. 10. Number 22.
No. Wala pa rin. Hop. And wala na po. This is your best big basketball league. Yan po ha, best basketball league. Hindi ka naman sikat dito sa Qatar. For any teams who want to join our league, just visit the page for details. PSBQ Basketball League. Ang liga naman sikat dito sa Qatar. Standby po tayo sa final quarter action. Handog po yan ng Giannis Gumetio. PSBQ Basketball League. Ang liga naman sikat. Yan po yan. Grabe. Tapoy. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo yun. Fourth quarter action. Fourth and final quarter action na po tayo yun. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Yan, ang liga na masikat. Handog pa na Giannis Gumetio. Final quarter. Huha! Ecstasy. Extano. Okay, Amparo. Hoy! Buhay ang bola. Quinto. Lost the ball. Pero tap from behind, Delegado. 58-67. Siyam lang po yan. 8 seconds remaining. 8 seconds remaining. Nice one. 2 points. Two points. Amparo driving in. Fadeaway shot. No. Rebound ni Giga. Regado. Foul. Sa baba. 8. Foul ni 8.
First kick off.
Quinto, Rangoy. Sayang. Inaalog palabas. Palpal. And one playmate. Okay, chance now to trim down the lead into 8 points. This free throw is brought to you by Katasablang sponsored by Jiran Yara. Amparo, no. Na-rebound ni Giga. Bulawan. Regado. Regado din. Oh, offensive foul. Binilikat. Kita ka ni referee, binilikat mo siya. Sabwira, nilabas muna para kay Master. Tagyam for the inbound. Siyam lang po kalamangan po ng RNF. Ramen Friends. Dang! 2 points. Pito. Oh, traveling violation. Mukhang kabisat yata, gumagana ng kanilang depensa muli. Okay, quinto. Two points Amparo. 5 na lang. 5 na lang. Mula 13, naging 5 na lang. 5 kanina, naging 5 na lang. Giga. And one play. Nice shot by Giga. Giga attack.
On number 23. Substitution. For the shot by number 13, Giga.
Malakas! Hoy! Foul!
Quinto, first foul. First kick-off. Magsaka. Two free throw by Kendra. No. Second throw, Liambao.
Second throw, no. Rebound. Pito. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. Nagta-travel po sila lahat. It's a traveling violation. Bulawan. Tropang Giga. Palpal. Kapit. Two points, Quinto. Okay, striking distance na naman. 5 na muli yan. 5. 6 ba? 6 na minuto pero 5 na nakalamangan. Ito na po. Whoop! Nakalusot. Whoop! Giga! 2 points, Giga. Nice shot by Giga. Tropang Giga. Tropang Giga, maasahan talaga si Tropang Giga. Ginano. Tagyam. Good ball. Oh, traveling violation. Nakakadalaw siya. Traveling violation. Laman po ng siyam. Laman pa po ng lib ng 7 ang SNF, Sam Ramen Friends rather. Tagyan nilabas muna. Okay. Quinto. Pakipasok na rin si George para Habena. Secret weapon doon nila. Ang raro fadeaway shot. Naku, Villegas. Wala pa rin. Bulawan. Number 19. Manabat. Giga. Palpal. Okay, one more time. Banak sa pasa. It's a foul call. Quinto called for the foul. One per graduate kay Mr. Quinto.
First throw by Giga. Second throw, Giga.
This bridge is brought to you by Coach Mike Movement. Master the game of basketball. Handi pa ng Coach Mike Movement. Villegas. Inaw. Malakas. Quinto. 2 points, Quinto. Nice shot. Ikaw no, Gab. Dito sa wala kang team dito sa class D intermediate, wala kang team. Ano team? Wala pa, next week pa. Manabat for 3. Wala. Rebound. Tapos. That could bring the house down. Okay, Villegas, Manabat for 3. Wala. One more time. Kay Campbell na naman. Foul. It's a foul. Oh. Giga, kaya tropang Giga. Tropang Giga. Oh. Okay, labas muna po sila lahat. Okay, Mr. Campbell shooting for 2. Handog po yan ng 3 John's Barbershop. 3 John's Barbershop po yan. Second throw ni Campbell, 68-73. Laman po ng 5. One more time. Okay, pasok. 6. Lamang ng 6. Quinto again. Amparo. Quinto. Driving in. Palpal. 2 points! Binuwat ang kadantay. Apat na naman, apat na lang. Apat na lang po sila mga kababayan. Bondesto, Rendon, 2 points na Rendon, 6. And it's a timeout call by Kapsat. PSBQ want to thank the following sponsors: HB Kicks, Kapeng Barako by Lombar Restaurant, Aquaflash Qatar, Imprint Advertising, PLBL, Triggers Barbershop, Coach Mike Movement, Winax Apparel, JPX TV, NC Kitchen, Katasimang Ziranyada, MC Cargo, Janus Gumitio, MC Cuisine, and McDonald's Qatar. Ito po ang yung PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, Kapsat. Laman po ng 6 muli. Pinasok na sa Tagyam. Eto na, all for all or nothing na to. Tagyam, kick pass, Amparo. No! Good ball! Wala pa rin! One time, and one play made! Andun po talang nagdampos. Okay. This print is brought to you by Kapeng Barako Restaurant by Lombar. Family member po yung Lombar po yan. Uy, sayang. Hindi na shoot. Pagod na yata rin eh. Pagod na. Okay, game. Ito na po. Escala, gumaganda po laro po natin yun. Watch yan and subscribe na po tayo yun. Wala. Bondesto for 2. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Pisapiano. Gulinaw. Villegas. Power mo naman. Wala. Bondesto. Pinasa mo lang Gado man. Wala. Villegas. Bye-bye! Ano ba yan? Parang kinandado yung ring. Down. Grabe, parang kinandado yun yung kotsa. Oh.
Third personal foul, Tagyam. Warren Covelli, Kapsat. 1 minute and 40
Gado! Wala! Rebound! Tagyam. Stepping violation. Same ball. Ano niya? Same ball. What a scapple. No. Foul, Tagyam. Tagyam called for a foul. Penalty situation, Kapsat. This print is brought to you by Lombar Restaurant. Lombar Restaurant, I'm the best tasting Escala, basket made Escala. Isa pang tira. Second ng Escala. Wala. Rebound ni Tagyam. Quinto naman. Foul. Gado called for the foul. Warning for penalty, Gado. Third person na panigado po yan. Tagyam. Gulinaw. No. Villegas. Wala. Short ball. Aga pa para mag-tripoy. Okay, ano gusto nyo? Rendon versus Tagyam. Gado. Palpal. Hop, same ball. Paulo. Sabit, sumabit. Bit 2. Aqua Flash Qatar. 2 shots kay Between. Between shooting for 2. First shot, wala. Magiging animo nito pag na-shoot niya. Second shot. Wala pareho. Rendon, nakuha na rebound. It's a foul by Quinto. Quinto called for the foul. Quinto, graduate. This week is brought to you by Imprint Advertising. We turn your ideas into absolute reality. Imprint Advertising. Rendon, pasok. 7. 6. Second throw ni Rendon. Labas, Villegas. 2 points. Okay, kapsat ball. Apat lang yan. Tagyam. 3 points si Tagyam. Wala. Okay, klasa yan. Okay, that's it. Okay, first win registered by R and F Ram and Friends. Final score 74-78. Ito po ang yung liga na masikat. Ulitin po natin. PSBQ Basketball League. Would like to thank the following sponsors before we go. HB Kicks, Kapeng Barako Restaurant, Lombar, Aquafasua Qatar, Imprint Advertising, PLBL, Trijan's Barbershop, Coach Mike Movement, Winax Apparel, JPX TV, ANC Kitchen, Qatar Sublime Sports by Giran Yada, MC Cargo, Janus Gumitio, MC Cuisine, and McDonald's Qatar. Muli pa before we go, ito po ang iyong liga na masikat, PSBQ Basketball League. Maraming salamat po, and see you again Tuesday for more basketball action. Thank you po. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams interested to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. Muli po, tayo na sa isa naman ng laro para sa gabing ito. Ito ang yung PSBQ Basketball League. Ito po ang ating big winners for tonight po, ang team Ram and Friends, si Scala at si Mr. Between. Sir, ano sir, mo nahirapan kayo ng konti pero naan nyo pa rin, nalusutin nyo po yung kalaban nyo?
Oo sir, kasi sa paglalaro namin magkakasama, halos matagal na po mas kayo magkakasama.
Yung Ram and Friends matagal na pala magkakasama. Isang liga kayo naglalaro? Isang ibang liga?
Marami po liga tulad po ng Inception.
Okay, first time nyo lang dito sa liga namin. Sir, Scala, any word? Walang copy paste ha? Iyon ang copy paste. Sige po. Tuloy po.
Sa paglalaro kasi ako, gusto ko mag-facilitate palagi pag gusto ko lahat ng kasama ko involved sa game. Ganun lang, kaya ganun. Yung naging advantage siguro namin.
Okay nga sir, ano pa masala namin sa sa Team Ramen Friends sa masusunod na mga sa mga laro nyo po?
Siguro po mas improve pa namin yung paglalaro. Tsaka gusto po namin makapunos lahat ng players.
Okay, o sige, eto na. Shoutout po tayo dyan, mga babayan. Sige po, batiin nyo mga loved ones nyo. O kasi, Escala.
Shoutout sa Ramen Friends kay... Shoutout din kay Justin sa Angelo. Shoutout sa girlfriend ko sa Binas.
Oh, between.
Sige po, sa manager po namin si Friends, tapos po kay Boss Bon. Thank you po.
Okay, thank you po. With you po, congratulations po. Maraming salamat po. 3, 2, 1.